Today, I'll walk you through how to create a great Notion template, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to design a custom template in Notion so you can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. To get started, open your Notion application. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where you want to create your template. This page will serve as the foundation for your new design visual cue. Next, take a moment to gather all the elements you want to include in your template. This could be text, images, or even databases. Once you have everything in mind, select all the content on the page and copy it. You can do this by highlighting the content and using Ctrl and C on your keyboard visual cue. Now head over to the page where you want to add your new template. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, add a title for your template. In the body of the page, type and choose the inline option. This will allow you to create a database that fits seamlessly into your layout visual cue. After that, click the drop-down next to the New button and select Plus New Template. This will open the template editor where you can customize your design further. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps remain the same visual cue. In the template editor, add a title for your template and paste the content you copied earlier. You can do this by using Ctrl and V on your keyboard. This is where your template starts to take shape visual cue. Once you've added everything, close the window by clicking outside the box. This will save your template automatically. Now it's time to test your creation. Click the drop-down beside the New button again and choose the template you just created. This will allow you to see how it looks in action visual cue. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Notion template that can help you organize your tasks, projects, or any other information you need. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.